Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Walgreens and we are about to get into a couple in-store deals, and then I'm going to show you guys two all digital online orders that I have placed and I am picking up tonight. So before I show you guys the in-store deals, I wanted to tell you guys about this clearance. So I talked about this clearance a couple weeks ago in my Walgreens video, and I told you guys that these Olay products were marked down on clearance, but I passed on them a couple weeks ago because it was still a little bit too high for me, but now the price is much better. So these babies right here, I just picked up these two. Let me show you how it broke down on my receipt. So they rang out for $9.79 and $4.89. Buy one, get one 50% off. I had a $12 off of two digital coupon that made it just $2.68 for both of these. These products are normally $38.99 a piece. That's the regular price. I got both of them for $2.68, which I think is amazing. So I definitely wanted to tell you guys to keep your eyes peeled for that, especially if you have those high value digital coupons. All right, you guys, so it's the next day and I want to show you guys another Olay discovery I just made. So these are the Olay Regenerist Hydration Max Serum. It is marked over here on clearance for $32.99, but I just had a price check done on it and it's actually $10.99. Now this is significant because we have a $10 digital coupon. So I'm going to pay just 99 cents for this, all the way down from $44. We're just going to pay 99 cents for this one. Here is the barcode on this one in case you want to look for this as well. The Maybelline Baby Lips are a great deal this week. I did this deal online because I have a $7 off of 3 digital coupon. So they're $3.99 regular price, but then when you buy 2, you're going to get the third one for free. So I picked up 3 of them for $7.98. Use that $7 off of 3 digital coupon that is exclusive, so everyone will not have it on their account. It makes 3 of them just 98 cents or 33 cents a piece. We got some great easy oral care deals this week. The first one is on the Colgate. So these are on sale for $3.99 each, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So you can buy 2. You can either use the $5 off of 2 digital coupon or the $4 off of 2 digital coupon. If you have that $5 off of 2 digital coupon, then you're going to pay just $3 out of pocket, but then get back 4, making 2 of these babies free plus a $1 moneymaker. The next deal up is on the Crest. So the Crest is included in this. The Oral-B toothbrushes are $3, and we have mouth rinse and floss that is $3. So I'm going to do a mixture of these products in my online pickup orders that I'll show you in just a bit. So you want to buy 3 of these and you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. We have $2 digital coupons or $3 off of 2 digital coupons. When you pick up 3 of them, you can use $5 in coupons total. So you got that 3 off of 2 and a 2 off of 1. That will leave you to pay just $4 out of pocket and then get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making 3 of these products free plus a $1 moneymaker. The Olay is also included in this same deal that is buy 3, get back 5. So if you want to, you can pick up one of the oral care products plus 2 of the Olay. We have a total of $6 in digital coupons available. We have a $4 off of 2 for the Olay and then a $2 for the oral care. So that will take off $6 from your total, which is going to be $15. It'll leave you to pay just $9 at the register but get back 5, making all 3 products just $1.33 each. So now let's get into the in-store deals. The first deal I want to tell you guys about is on the Tide. So I'm not going to do the Tide this week, but it's an amazing deal as usual. So these are $4.99, and then when you buy 4 of them, you're going to get back a $6 register reward. So the easiest way to do this deal, if you want to use some paper coupons, is to pick up 4 of them. That'll total you up to $19.96. You can use 2 printable coupons from the P&G website, and then you can use 2 insert coupons from the P&G insert. That will deduct $8 and bring you down to $11.96. Then you're going to get back a $6 register reward, which is going to make it just $5.96 for all 4 items, or just $1.49 each. And although I'm not going to be buying any Tide today, I wanted to do a giveaway as a part of this video because I have some extra P&G coupons thanks to Newpons on Instagram. So if you want to get stocked up on Tide and you don't get P&G inserts, leave me a comment down below letting me know. And on Saturday this week, I will send out 5 P&G inserts to someone as a giveaway for a part of this video. I will announce the winner on Friday on my community tab, so just pay attention there because I want to get it out quickly so you can have time to use them. So 5 P&G inserts, including the Tide coupons, and all you have to do is just leave me a comment down below letting me know. The deal I'm doing is on the Compete because this is a nice Ibotta moneymaker. So these are on sale for $7.99, and we have a $5 off manufacturer coupon that's going to leave us the pages $2.99 at the register. Then we're going to submit back to Ibotta for $5 in cash back. That's going to make this baby free plus a $2 moneymaker. The next deal I'm doing because I need dish soap is on the big bottles of Dawn. So I'm going to grab one of these 40-ounce bottles. These are $4.99. I have a $2 digital coupon that's going to make it just $2.99. So I'm about to check out in store with just these 2 items. This is all I need to pick up in store. This Compete coupon is the only paper coupon I'll be using for today's trip. And I'm just grabbing this because I want to hit my Ibotta bonus. Everything else will be all digital. I'm going to debrief when I get home and I'm going to show you everything that we got. All right, you guys, so I am back at home and these transactions should be super easy and quick to review. So the Olay, first of all, we already reviewed that in store. The mineral ones were 2 for $2.68 or $1.34 each, and then the Retinol Max was 99 cents each with those $10 digital coupons. And then this right here is my first online order. So in this first online order, I picked up 2 of the Colgate. We reviewed that. I had a $5 off of 2 digital coupon for those. They were $3.99 each, made those free plus a $1 moneymaker. I picked up 3 of the Crest and Oral-B products. I picked up 2 of the Super Floss. Those were $3. I used that $3 off of 2 digital coupon, and a Crest toothpaste. That was $3. I used the $2 digital coupon. I picked up 3 of the Baby Lips. Those were $7.98 for 3. The $7 off of 3 digital coupon made those just 99 cents for 3. And then the Poise, I don't think I reviewed in store. So that is $5.99. And then we have a $3 digital coupon and a $2 Walgreens coupon, an IVC coupon in the booklet that makes that just 99 cents. So in this online pickup order, I actually used a point booster for spend 25, get back 3. So there is a close up of my receipt and all of the items we just reviewed. After all of my digital coupons, my subtotal came up to $8.95. Now, because I had to spend at least $25 in cash, and this is about $20 in coupons, I only used a couple dollars in Walgreens cash to pay to make sure that my total was still at $25 as far as cash and coupon spent, so that I would get back my additional $3 for my point booster. So as far as points back, I did get back a total of $12 in points for this order. I got back $5 for the Crest and Oral-B items. I got back $4 for the Colgate, and I got back $3 for my point booster. So we paid out $8.95, and then we got back $12. That transaction was over a $3 moneymaker. So this next transaction did get a little bit wonky, and that is because some of my items that I ordered got canceled out and they got substituted. So I had originally ordered a total of 4 of the Dow Clean and Gentle Body Wash. I had 2 of the Aloe and then 2 of the Fragrance Free and then 2 Dow Clean and Gentle. So let me tell you about the deal that I was going to do. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to pick up 4 of those Dow Clean and Gentle body washes and 2 of the hand soaps because that totals about $21. And then we have an online promo code, Henkel5, which takes off $5. And the body washes are buy 2, get back $2, get back $2 in Walgreens cash. So when that promo code comes off, it takes it from $21 down to $16. Then you're gonna get back $4 in Walgreens cash for the purchase of the Dow body washes. That will bring it down to $12. Then I was going to submit back to Ibotta, and I was going to get back a total of $7 in Ibotta cash because I was going to get back $1 because we had 50-cent rebates for the hand soap, and I was going to get back $1.50 for each one of the body washes. That would have brought it down to $5. And I had a point booster for $5 in Walgreens cash back that was going to make it free. So this would have been 6 free Dow items had they had the Dow Clean and Gentle Body Wash. Because of the substitutions that they made with the Dow, this transaction ended up costing me about $6 instead of being free because I was not able to submit back for my Ibotta rebates. And I was going to just do a return. Y'all know I don't play, but I actually reached out to customer service because they had canceled out a couple of my orders or substituted things that was just throwing everything off. And customer service actually gave me back $14 in Walgreens cash to make up for the cancellations that were happening. So I decided to keep this because it turned into a super moneymaker once they gave me back that $14. I'm not going to factor that $14 into today's breakdowns, but I wanted you to know that that did happen as well. So this actually turned out to be a super moneymaker, the whole transaction. I also had a midweek bonus that I was trying to hit. So because I was trying to hit my midweek bonus and get an additional $3 in cash back, I added in some more Ibotta items so that I could hit that bonus. These items you do not have to pick up. They're not required for any portion of any deal, but I just wanted to pick these up so that I could hit my bonus. The Airheads filled ropes, these are 2 for $3 online. So I wanted to pick up 2 packages of them. They only had 1, but they're 2 for $3, and then we have $1 Ibotta rebates that'll make them 2 for $1. These Snickers peanut brownie, those were 2 for $3 as well, and then we have a 75-cent off of 2 digital coupon, and we have 25-cent rebates on Ibotta. That makes them 2 for $1.75. And then the Edge Shave Gel, those are $2.99, and then we have $1 digital coupons and $1 Ibotta rebates, making them only 99 cents. And then I added in a couple more of those Crest and Oral-B items again so that I could do the buy 3, get 5. And then I lost my paper receipt somehow for this transaction, so I'm gonna put it up on the screen. But after they canceled out those Dow Clean and Gentle items, my subtotal came up to $22.49 plus tax. I did use $20 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $2.49 plus tax. And then I got back a total of $9 for the transaction. I got back $4 for the Dow body wash because they're buy 2, get 2. And then I got back the $5 for the Crest and Oral-B products. And I got back a total of $7 from Ibotta. And then for my in-store transaction with the Dawn and the Compeed, here's a close-up of that receipt. So after my 2 coupons, I paid out $5.98. I got back $5 from Ibotta, and I also got back a $5 point booster. So I got back a total of $10 for this transaction and made those 2 items free plus a $4 moneymaker. So that's all for me for Walgreens this week, you guys. This was super easy digital couponing. So for this middle transaction, I had a cost of $6.49, but I made $3.30 in this transaction. I made $4 in this transaction. That completely covered the cost, even with that mishap and those cancellations. So all of that came out to be free. And the Olay was free as well because, like I said, customer service did give me $14 in Walgreens cash that completely covered the cost of everything. So super easy, free digital couponing at Walgreens. I am happy with our shopping this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.